So hey guys, this is Motorola's Moto G32. Really, I am very excited for this. So let's begin. Firstly, we have got the device with transparent case, quick start guide, SIM ejector tool, and type A to C charging cable and 33-watt fast charging adapter. Moto G32 comes with two color options, mineral grey and satin silver, but I have mineral grey color. Alright, the phone back is PMM plastic. At the bottom we have speaker grill, type C port and microphone and 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right side we have side mounted fingerprint scanner and volume rockers. On the left hand side we have SIM card slot with 1TB expandable storage option. Up top we have second microphone. Okay, let's boot the device. Moto G32 has 6.5 inches Full HD plus IPS LCD panel with 90Hz refresh rate and 405 ppi density. The display is good, you can see the viewing angles and colors are perfect. And one of my favorite part, it runs on ad-free stock Android. No any pre-installed bloatware, so I like it. And Motorola is promising water resistant 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charger in the box. And the G32 has dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, and I surprised with the face and fingerprint unlock speed. Both are very fast. You can see the speed really very fast. I don't expect this. And now let's talk about camera. 50 megapixel main sensor and 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and 2 megapixel micro camera. Overall, this is a best phone with almost all expected features. What do you think about this?